Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm Ron with Ideal Industries. In this segment, which is part 7 of the Smart Home series of videos, let's talk about the video applications in the home, or how you get video out to a bunch of TVs in a building. Well, first of all, when you bring all the coax, the home runs, all the coax runs out to the building, back to the panel, we like to batch those through 1 or 2 knockouts, whatever it takes, and then start bundling it together and then looping it maybe into what we need it to get into. And so we have plenty of slack in the panel later on down there. And plus, it makes it look nice and neat. Now, we've got a couple options with the video applications. We could use just a standard splitter, which might work just fine. Or we could use an amplifier / splitter tied together, or a combination of the both. So let's take a look at those options within our panel here. Now, one option in our 11-in panel to distribute video signals would be use just a simple splitter you find on this particular bracket. Now, this splitter happens to be a 1 input by 6 outputs, meaning it can feed out to 6 outputs to 8 different TVs, and it's good for antenna signals or cable TV applications. And what you're looking for in a splitter here is a product that's at least 5 to 1 gig in rate and frequency range, and you're also looking for a product that's bidirectional, and you'd like to get one that is analog and digital in nature as well. And really, about anybody's high quality splitter here could be used for this application if that's all you're trying to do, is distribute basic cable TV or antenna signals through the home without amplification. Now, another option for distributing video signals in a building or in a home would be to use a product like this, which is actually a splitter and an amplifier all in one, and that's what we have wired up here. We've got 4 wires coming in which go out to 4 different outputs, and actually there's 8 outputs here, but we're only using 4 of them. And on the ones we're not using, you see I'm putting termination caps on the end of those, which helps eliminate noise and interference in the system. And if you need more information on termination caps, look at my YouTube channel. We got 1 wire coming in, which is my input, which is going into this connection over here where it says cable TV or antenna input. And again, this amplifier is designed for cable TV or antenna signals. And it has a power module right here. We'd have to plug a power module into an AC outlet, which would power the amplifier. The amplifier is analog and digital in nature, again, for cable applications, and it's bidirectional, and it covers the entire frequency range we might need for the cable TV industry, and this one actually goes all the way out to 2 gig in frequency. Now, there is an adjustment on the amplifier for how much you're going to amp it, and it's right here. There's an opening on the side here, and we can get a screwdriver in there, and we can actually adjust the gain of the amp upwards of an additional 20 dB if we need that, depending on how long our runs are in the house, in order to make sure we got a good quality picture out of it at the outlet in the room. So that's our second option on distributing video signals in a home, and one of the better options we have here. And if we're doing satellite applications, we would actually have to change this out and go to more than likely a multi-switch for satellite applications, because again, cable TV and antennas is what this particular device does for us. Well, folks, I hope that explains something more about the distribution panel for you. And, thanks for coming. I'm Ron with Ideal Industries. We'll plan on seeing you the next time.